Psst, psst. Are you afraid to die? You see that? You feel that? As I'm talking, I'm creating gravitational waves. You feel them? I'm using my dark energy and the dark matter. It's right time to explain you, audience, I'm going to build the planet Earth first particle accelerator, a wooden one. I'm colliding X with wooden particles. Check that out, capture a close-up detail. It's only for you, as my X and the power of my dark energy and my dark matter knowledge collide. In a fraction of time, there is a point where dark matter is so dense that gravitational field became infinite. This is just the beginning of build, so you guys stay tuned for further episodes. Yes, that means I'm creating a black hole. I'm creating Higgs Bosson. I'm creating Neutrino. I'm creating Graviton. I'm creating Jűptnericon.